In this short tutorial, you will learn how to check the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. It is essential to keep track of this information to ensure that no unauthorized access has occurred. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Account Center at the top. Just tap on it. And then tap Password and Security. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says where you're logged in. And then select your Instagram account. Now you will be able to see your Instagram account login activity, and you'll see all the devices on which your Instagram account is logged in. If you see a device that you don't recognize, just tap where it says Select Devices to log out. Select that device, and then tap Log Out. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.